So in the post today arrived my new set of carving knives, which I haven't actually opened yet properly. I'm going to have a look inside and see what we've got. Okay, so it's a pair of gloves that are obviously to stop me from cutting myself. Probably not going to wear those. I think that'll probably inhibit what I want to do a bit. Probably better just to be careful with the carving. Piece of leather, and this green stuff is called compound. So as far as I'm aware, you put the compound on the leather and you use that for sharpening, which is great, so I'll always be able to sharpen the blades. Okay, first one. Nice handle. Ooh, that feels really good. Ooh, very nice. And this is the flat blade one. Let's see if it's not particularly sharp. Let's see. Yeah, no hairs coming off. Not very sharp. Okay, I'll have to sharpen that up. But this is the type of blade that Doug Linker uses quite a lot. With his little carvings, the flat blade. Okay, let's have a look. This one? Nice. I really like that handle. That's cool. Oh, and I can feel that one's a lot sharper. So this one's sharp already. Yeah, that's very sharp. I imagine that will probably... Oh yeah, see? Wow. Very sharp. I wonder why the other one wasn't so sharp. Interesting. Wonder if someone's used it before. And the last one. This tool is obviously for gouging things this way, but there's a blade on this curvature here for scooping out wood. So say this is a piece of wood, you can scoop like that. So, and this is particularly for people who are making spoons and bowls out of wood. Scoop out. I've got a piece of wood right here, and it's not very sharp. Okay, so we're going to test. Let's test these as they stand, and then maybe we'll sharpen it up. Okay, so this is the flat blade. Got a piece of wood. Yeah, it doesn't feel very sharp at the minute. Let's do a stop cut. So stop cut's a line, and then cut into that line. That needs sharpening. That definitely needs sharpening. But it's still cool, it feels nice under the hand. Okay, so let's try this one. Yeah, that's sharper, a lot sharper. So this is the same kind of dry wood that I was using for my Gandalf one. Yeah, I still think this needs a good sharpen. Let's do a stop cut on this one as well. Yeah, much better. Okay. It's going to be a lot easier to carve with these than the long blade that I had before. Already this is just way more. Cool. And this one is not sharp at all. Yeah. And I don't even know how to use that, or if I even will use that. So I'm probably not going to sharpen that right now. So let's tidy up this for a minute. Back in a second. Okay, so going to actually do some sharpening here. So I have this piece of wood to put my piece of leather on top of. Doug advises sticking it down and having it so that it's a thing. So I'm going to do that eventually, but for now I'm going to move my tools to one side. And the first thing is to apply some of this compound. Now, we're going to start with this knife, which is currently quite blunt, and apparently you find the right angle and you just one. So I'm going to do from working 10 down to 1 strokes in each direction, so 7 this way as well. Alright, let's see. Any sharper? Still not much sharper. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. What am I doing wrong? Let's add the compound and we'll do it again. Okay, it's starting to get a few hairs coming off it now. Getting sharper. Let's do it again. I'm going to have a bald arm by the end of this. Let's try it on the wood. Yeah, it was a lot sharper than it was. Yeah. Okay, that's a lot sharper. And just do the other one. Even that little bit of sharpening that I did in that one, I can automatically feels pretty much razor sharp. I could have a shave with this. Nice. So let's do here. Yeah, super sharp. Let's see. Let's see if I get a nicer corner. Yeah, see, these are the sort of shiny cuts that Doug was getting, although it still feels like it should be a lot sharper. Then again, I am using quite a hard wood. So, do you know what I'm going to do? We're going to move this strop, and we're going to use this piece of pine. Let's see what it's like on the pine. Yeah, great. Well, there we go. My new set. They're not perfectly sharp at this present moment. This sharpening system will work, I'm sure. I just need to learn how to do it. I'm going to have to go and watch some tutorial videos so I know that I'm actually doing this sharpening properly. I was just using it how I think it should be used there. This one did get sharper. This one is a lot sharper than that. Yeah, this part of the blade here is very sharp and it kind of bluntens out towards the end, which makes me wonder if they have been used before. But anyway, these are my new knives. That's it. Enjoy. Hope you enjoy the video. Please watch this video or this one. I don't know, somewhere around here on the screen. And see you next time. Thanks. Bye.